The famous Hollywood couple in India earlier this year, Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie, while in the country shooting for a film, also wanted to adopt a child. But the tedious adoption laws for foreign nationals made them seek a child, ultimately in Vietnam.
We are going to be reviewing and revising the entire adoption policy, as well as you will see changes in guardianship laws. With this, I feel that we will be able to encourage more people to adopt our babies.
The adoption process in the country is basically guided by a Supreme Court judgment of 1984, which makes it mandatory for all foreigners, including NRIs, to be sponsored by a licensed adoption agency in their own country, and this agency must also have a permission to work in India. What follows is a long process whereby one gets a guardianship first and then the actual adoption of the child takes place.
Procedure which is on today, it takes time, around 4 to 6 months. The basic need is to revamp this time frame so that they could not wait for a longer period and could take the child as early as possible.
An interesting aspect of the adoption by foreign nationals has been their preference to adopt the girl child. But as far as domestic adoptions are concerned, the male child is generally the chosen one. So the review committee set up by the government, when it goes into various aspects of adoption, it is also likely to consider this gender bias. In New Delhi, Sumit Pandey.